Imagine you're sitting on a team bus. Police escorts surround you. Security teams monitor every intersection. The route has been planned for weeks. Every risk has been considered. Every threat has been analyzed. Then a small object appears above the road. Not a missile, not a fighter jet. A drone, a machine so small that most people wouldn't even notice it. And yet it may be one of the biggest security nightmares facing the World Cup. This week, a hacker group linked to Iran claimed it had accessed surveillance drone systems and issued a warning mentioning the World Cup itself. Whether those claims are true or not, they highlight a much bigger problem. The world has entered the age of drone warfare, and now the world's biggest sporting event must prepare for it. For decades, security threats followed familiar patterns. Bombs, weapons, vehicles, suspicious packages, physical attacks. Today, the threat landscape looks very different. A drone can be purchased online, modified in a garage, operated from miles away, and used in ways security planners couldn't imagine 20 years ago. That reality has transformed military battlefields. Now it is transforming public security. When the hacker group's statement appeared, most people focused on the political angle. Iran, America, CIA, FBI, but security experts focused on something else. The drone. Because drones are changing everything. What makes a simple, off-the-shelf drone so dangerous? It's a question security experts are asking with increasing urgency. The answer might surprise you. It's not their size. In fact, their small profile is part of the threat, making them difficult to spot with the naked eye, or even on traditional radar. The real danger is their accessibility. A modern, highly capable drone can cost less than a smartphone, available online or in any electronics store with no background check required. This low barrier to entry puts advanced aerial technology into anyone's hands. For that small price, they carry sophisticated cameras, a suite of advanced sensors for stable flight and environmental awareness, AI-powered tracking systems that can lock onto and follow a person or vehicle automatically, and fully autonomous navigation, all while streaming high-definition video back to the operator. Some can travel for kilometers, far from their launch point. Many can operate well beyond the pilot's visual range, guided only by a screen. Some can fly complex, pre-programmed routes with minimal human involvement, executing a mission with just the press of a button. But the truly frightening part? The technology improves every single year. Flight times get longer, cameras get sharper, and software gets smarter. At the same time, the cost often decreases, which means more people gain access to these powerful tools, more capabilities, more reach, and more opportunities for misuse. This combination of power and proliferation creates a new kind of threat, one that is cheap, stealthy, and incredibly hard to defend against. Imagine 80,000 fans inside a stadium. The energy is electric, a sea of faces united by the spectacle on the field. It's a city within a city, with its own rules, its own flow, and its own complex security apparatus. Then, a single, unauthorized drone enters restricted airspace. In the Security Operations Center, a silent alarm flashes. What happens next? The answer is complicated because the entire security posture of a venue like this was designed for threats on the ground. Stadium security was designed for people, metal detectors, bag searches, ticket verification, crowd management, physical barriers. All of these measures form a hardened perimeter. But drones ignore all of those defenses. They don't need a ticket. They don't use entrances. They don't stand in security lines. They arrive from the sky. And that's exactly why security planners fear them. The threat isn't theoretical. We've seen cheap, off-the-shelf drones, modified in garages, become decisive weapons on modern battlefields. If a hobbyist drone can be adapted to strike a warship or an oil facility, what protects the open airspace above a stadium? The fear is not just that every drone is dangerous. It's that every unidentified drone creates uncertainty. And in a crowd of 80,000, uncertainty is a contagion. It spreads faster than any official announcement. It creates panic. Imagine you're in that packed stadium. A drone appears overhead. Nobody knows who controls it. Nobody knows what it's carrying. Nobody knows what it intends to do. In that moment, the drone itself may not be the primary weapon. The panic it could trigger is a sudden, uncontrolled rush for the exits could cause a catastrophic crowd crush, where the danger is the crowd itself. Suddenly, thousands of people are asking the same question: is this a threat? In any large-scale security operation, the single greatest vulnerability isn't a gap in the fence or a blind spot in camera coverage. It's human attention. Here's where artificial intelligence enters the story. Because a human team, no matter how dedicated, cannot effectively monitor every possible threat vector simultaneously. The sheer volume of data from thousands of cameras, microphones, and sensors is overwhelming. Not in real time, when a response window is measured in seconds. Not across entire cities, with their complex layers of infrastructure and unpredictable patterns of life. And certainly not during a major public event attracting millions of visitors, where every person and vehicle adds another variable to an already impossible equation. AI can. It processes this deluge of information without fatigue or distraction. Modern detection systems create a fused sensory picture, combining long-range radar, thermal cameras that see heat signatures, radio frequency sensors that listen for control signals, acoustic sensors that identify engine noise, and machine learning algorithms that tie it all together. The goal is simple, but the execution is complex. Find the drone before the crowd even knows to look up. Track its trajectory and predict its intent before it becomes an imminent problem, and identify its specific model, capabilities, and potential threat level before the first wave of panic begins. AI doesn't replace security teams. It acts as a force multiplier, filtering out the noise to find the signal. It gives them the one resource that can't be bought or stockpiled: time. And in the world of security, time is everything. It is the currency of survival. 1 minute matters. It's enough time to lock down a perimeter. 30 seconds matter. It's enough time to deploy a countermeasure. Sometimes, 5 seconds is all that separates a near miss from a catastrophe. Most fans will never see the real World Cup. They'll see players, goals, celebrations, highlights. But behind the scenes, another operation is running. Thousands of officers, intelligence analysts, cybersecurity teams, emergency response units, aviation monitoring systems, counter-drone networks, facial recognition technologies, AI-assisted surveillance. The scale is enormous. Millions of people, 3 countries, 16 cities, countless potential vulnerabilities. This is not just a sporting event. It's one of the largest security operations ever attempted. Here's the part that keeps security planners awake at night. The drone itself may not be the biggest threat. Panic may be. History shows that fear spreads faster than facts. A suspicious object, a loud sound, a false rumor, a misunderstood event. Suddenly, thousands of people react simultaneously. Crowds move, confusion spreads, information becomes unreliable. And that's why modern security isn't only about stopping attacks. It's about preventing panic. Because sometimes the fear of danger becomes more dangerous than the danger itself. The World Cup is becoming a preview of the future. AI monitoring, drone detection, real-time surveillance, automated threat analysis, predictive security systems. Technologies once reserved for military operations are increasingly appearing in civilian life, and every major event accelerates that process. The systems protecting stadiums today may protect cities tomorrow. Airports, train stations, critical infrastructure, entire countries. The warning from the hacker group may prove real. It may prove exaggerated. Or it may disappear entirely. But the larger issue remains. Drones are becoming cheaper. Artificial intelligence is becoming more powerful. Security challenges are becoming more complex. And the world's biggest sporting event now sits at the intersection of all three. Because the next major security threat may not arrive in a truck, or a suitcase, or even in a crowd. It may arrive from above. And by the time most people notice it, artificial intelligence may already be tracking it. If you want to understand the hidden systems, emerging threats, and technologies shaping our future, subscribe to Redline Brief.